Hey, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with an amazing website, another that, as you have read the thumbnail and the title, that in this video I am going to teach you how to earn passive income. Okay, so just go in the description box. You're going to get the link. Just click on that and get to the sign up process of this website. After completing your sign up process and logging on the page, you are going to land on this page. Okay, so here what I'm going to describe you that how are you gonna make money through this. Okay, so the payout of this website is in the gifts card. Okay, see here you can see $5 Amazon gift card, $5 PayPal gift card, and some prepaid gift cards. Okay, there you can get everything. Okay, everything that the website is there for you, you're going to get it here. Here you can see the live payouts just have been claimed. So the process that how you are going to earn money is through this, the earn. You're going to the in the earn section. There you can find out surveys. Okay, just click on the earn section. Okay, there you can see different methods with which you are going to earn money. Okay, so in the earn section you are going to get, see here they are surveys, offer walls, stars. So these are the surveys that you have to perform, 18 minutes, 17 minutes, and through which you are going to get $100 points, 60 points. Okay, so this is the amount that you are going to get after clicking on this go button. You're going to get the amount that is described here. And the fact is that with only one survey you're going to get 100 points. And if you see in the reward section here, the $5 Amazon card is of 500 points. So as it is given here that one survey gets you 100 points, that means if you complete 5 surveys in a day, that gives you $5. And as it is estimated 18 minutes here, it's just an estimation, it takes less than that. I have just did it with myself. So the point is that you're going to earn a lot of money within an hour with this website. Okay, and the further thing, if you want to increase your winning rate, you have to go in the refer a friend section. There you can refer your friend, and after referring your friend you are going to earn extra money. So as much the referrer would earn, you are going to get some percentage of that. Okay, the description of that percentage is given on this page. Let me show you that here. See, make money, easy money by referring, earning 15% referral points from everyone that you refer. No caps. That means 15% referral points you are going to earn. Okay, if your referee if the person that you have referred earn 1000 points, that means 15% you are going to earn 150 points for free of doing nothing. That means $1.5 free if he or she earns $100. Okay, you have to just take this ID and you have to just paste it everywhere you can, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, every place you can. Okay, and as I've said you, the reward section, there are some another things here, that this win section. Okay, there you can say raffles, lucky number, contest, my winnings. Those are the another thing that I'm not going into deep of that. You can just explore it through yourself and can earn as much money as you want. Okay, so I'm gonna be on this survey page. Okay, I'm gonna just elaborate the point here as how are you gonna earn with this survey. Okay, see the CCC, the thing that happened right now is that the 100-point survey has just got missing from this page. Okay, that means these surveys are limited. You have to do as fast as you can. Okay, so just go there, click on the link in the description box and just go on there, because these surveys are also the limited time offers, and don't miss the chance of getting these money into your pocket. Okay, you don't have the time to regret. As you can see, they have a lot of things to offer. Okay, you can just alter the price, lowest to highest, highest to level, anything. Okay, you can just go on the particular section that you want, if PayPal gift card, Amazon gift card. Okay, so they have a lot of for you. Okay, they have a lot of content, they have a lot of prizes, gift cards for you. Just go there and just grab all of them. Okay, it's too easy for you to earn money here. Don't go in any other websites. The point is that just be on this and you are going to earn money definitely. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.